Alright guys, we are back at Turkey Mountain after 6 months of waiting on a part for my bike. So we're going to get the GoPro footage up and we're going to get a little ride in. Hopefully we'll get back into the jump soon and pick up where we left off. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the trails. But we're in the Sandworm today, for those wondering. It's the only vehicle I have with a hitch. So we need to get one for the Bronco so we can take it out and put the bike on it. But anyways, I'm gonna get my helmet out, get the GoPro set up, and we're gonna get to riding. All right guys, we made it to the new hub at Turkey Mountain. So from what I can tell, there's only one downhill trail, bike trail over here, and it's down here. We're about to hit that again. And then there's a couple other trails. There's 2 black trails over here and 2 blue trails, and then a green trail. So we'll probably hit the downhill one again, and then we will hit one of these black trails, see what they're about, see if there's any jumps or anything. I know there's jumps on this. I already did it once, pre-ran it, so I kind of know what to expect. I don't know what that is. It's like a pterodactyl or something. What is that? Duck? I have no idea what that bird is. And if you guys hear me breathing heavy, it's because I'm out of shape. So we're just getting back into this after like 6 months, because we've been waiting on my bike to get fixed. Well, not waiting on it to get fixed, waiting on the part to come in so I can fix it. So we finally got a new headset on here. I need to work on my turns. But right here, if you go to the right, that's the downhill, and then you have the other blue non-downhill to the left. So we're gonna hit this one. Ooh, I hit that smoother than the first time. Oh, there's those deer again. Oh, there's 4 of them that time. I only saw 3 earlier. And these downhills crack me up, because it's like you get 10 feet of downhill. Oh, that's a little buck. You get 10 feet of downhill, and then it's like you got to pedal to the next little downhill section. I want to definitely go to a one of those huge mountain bike parks where they are like true downhills, where you got to do the ski lift and everything. I will say, I think I did a good job putting this new headset on. Bike seems pretty solid. I got new bearings, new headset. Here come the new jumps. Oh yeah. And then this one, I'm not ready for yet. It doesn't look like much on camera, but that's, for me, there's a lot of room for error for myself, since I'm not, you know, above rookie status yet. So I don't want to go off one side or the other. I really don't want to, you know, case my bike and break the headset again after just replacing it. So I'm going to leave that one for a couple more trips out here. But those first 2 jumps are fun. This one will be fun once I get the hang of it. It doesn't look like much, but that uphill slope right there is so steep. But let's continue on. Let's go make our way back and try out one of those other trails. There are so many deer out here. They're not even skittish either. That's wild. I wouldn't actually pet it, by the way. Look at it. It's just sitting there. Oh. too much. Landed on my front tire way too much there. Oh. We just did drop the bomb. That's what I almost worked on. We're gonna do one of these now. Gonna let my heart rate kind of calm down a little bit, get some speed, and then we will probably do the Tulips one. I think that one's a little bit more downhill, a little bit more speed. Get in the right gear real quick. Hopefully get some cooler footage for you guys this time around. Oh, I can't do those fast ones. Oh, that's what I don't want to do, is case my bike. Okay, so we just did the Tulips. Now we're gonna do Voodoo. All right, we're in zone 1, so let's go ahead and go. I haven't ridden this trail in a while. I only did this trail like once, so I really don't know what to expect. That's why I'm going slow. Yeah, I don't think I've actually ever done this trail. Oh shit, a tree. Yeah, I have not done. I've never done that trail. Okay, we just did Voodoo. I'm gonna need some more practice on that. Just controlling my bike in the air and everything, because that trail is a lot more narrow than Tulips, and the trees are a little bit closer to the trails. So if you're kind of like a beginner like me, I definitely recommend Tulips to start. The squirrels chasing each other through the tree. Definitely recommend that one to start over here, and then if you get a little bit more practice, Voodoo is a little bit more fun. For that, it's just really rocky, narrow, sharp turns and things like that, easy to go off the trail. I almost ran into a tree. And then honestly, drop the bomb. The drop is the hardest part on there, and it's not even that hard. You just ride off the end. So honestly, you could probably do that one as well, because I'm not no professional, and I just ride off the end of it. But we're gonna do Grasshopper. It's a green trail. We're gonna see what it's like, see where it pops out at, and then we're gonna head to the other side of Turkey Mountain and do some more of those trails. So let's go ahead and do this one. And this one should just be like hills like this, and I'm not good at sharp turns with sand like that though. I'm afraid of sliding. But this one should be just rolling. This one hasn't been rode in a while. Oh yeah. This one's easy. Definitely a beginner trail. I'm out of shape where I'd be pedaling a little faster. A little bit of a jump. I'm getting good at like the pushing where you pick up speed. Those berms aren't very smooth though. And then I think this is into the drop the bomb.
This is where I always see the river.
Yeah, I'm good. But that
Did that thing come off again?
no, that's my keys in there.
Oh, I was gonna say, it's like I can hear something rattling, man.
No, it's my keys. No, that second one, I missed the first one because I actually went off the trail and slipped on the rocks, so I had to walk down it. But that second one had a lot of pop to it. Like I even pulled up and I was like,
yeah, on the double?
Yeah, no, on that second drop, I got a lot more air than I thought. I didn't realize
So bad, huh?
I didn't realize the doubles were not tabletops, so I definitely skipped those. Yeah, that rock got me. I have one of these. I need to attach it to my bike to get some photos.
Yeah, I still have to put mine on.
Does it work?
I don't know. I haven't tried it. But there's
You gotta pay for it.
yeah, you'll see it. There's
Tag for free.
Got
You gotta pay for it. There you go.
What the heck?
yeah, you just stick that on your bike and then download the app. I don't remember how much it is,
Open top there.
but like Arkansas probably has the same sensors and stuff. Oh. Oops. My bad. Whew. Oh, that's new.